In this video, I'll show you how to track time in Kimai, so you always know what you worked on and for how long. I'll also share the most useful filtering options for time records and some helpful tips and tricks. Let's jump in. Method 1 for starting the time tracker, the big green play button, perfect for planned work sessions. Click it, fill out the quick form, and hit start. Now that timer in the top right is more powerful than you think. First, it works everywhere. Check email, attend meetings, browse other projects. It keeps counting. Second, hover over it to see current session details without losing your place. Third, click it to quickly add notes or change the description while timing. And here's the game changer. If you close your browser accidentally, log back in and your timer is still running. No lost time ever. When you're done, click the red stop button. Your entry appears instantly in the timesheet. But here's what most people miss. You can immediately edit anything. Wrong project? Click the project name and change it. Vague description? Click to expand it. Started the timer late? Adjust the start time by clicking the time field. Everything is editable, always. The second method to create a time record is great when you forgot to start timing and need to log past work. From your timesheet page, click Create. Then fill in the date as well as the starting and ending time. Or just type in the amount of time you've worked for. That's it. Kimai recognizes different styles of time inputs. For example, you can type 1, 3, 4, 5, and Kimai will save 13:45 o'clock or 1:45 p.m. The third way to record time is through the calendar. Think of it as a perfect visualization for your work. Open the calendar on the month, week, or day you need. You can customize the calendar to fit your needs. In your profile preferences, set your preferred initial view. Go to System Settings to adjust the visible time range and modify the start and end times. The calendar lets you create a time entry by simply clicking in a field. Right-click on a time entry to edit or delete it. You can also restart one of your last activities by simply dragging and dropping it. Same way you can drag and drop every time entry, which is already saved in the calendar. And if you want to edit the work duration, just expand the entry. Speaking of time entries, Kimai lets you create rules to establish which time entries are allowed and which are not. Go to System, Settings, and then the Time Tracking section. From here, you can do things like choosing what the maximum duration of a timesheet entry can be and many others. There are several other quick ways to create timesheets. For example, you can restart from the My Times screen. Choose an existing timesheet, click the three dots, and then select Start Again. You can also fill out time entries for an entire week. Simply go to Weekly Hours, choose the week, project's activities, and total duration for each day. Click Add to create a new entry row. Once you're done, click Save, and your time entries will appear in the timesheets. In Kimai, you can mark your favorite activities and restart them in just 2 clicks. To do this, use the Restart button in the header. Click it to see your recent activities, then mark your favorites. From now on, they'll always appear at the top of the list. And one more thing, did you know there are apps for time tracking in Kimai available online? Go to kimai.org, then click Product to Apps and Integrations. Now let's learn how you can structure your timesheets by tagging them. Tags are useful if you need to filter some specific timesheets later. You can create tags by going to Administration and clicking Tags. Add a tag by clicking on Create, choose its name and color. It's up to you how you structure your tag system, but in the end, it will let you filter time records across different projects or customers. Once you add your tags, they will be visible in the drop-down menu when creating or editing a time entry. And if you need a new tag, just create it here quickly. Ready for the efficiency hacks? There are 4 simple shortcuts for operating the timer. Just memorize the following. For time entries, N stands for a new timesheet, and S for stopping the timer. Then the A stands for adding and opens a page-specific Create dialog. The H helps by opening the user manual. To use these shortcuts, simply press Alt plus the corresponding Access key on Windows, or press Control and Option plus the Access key if you are using Mac. Now you know how to create, edit, and filter timesheets. You know how to review your timesheet to spot any missing entries while they're fresh in memory. You're now tracking time like a pro. Ready to go further?